In this video, I'm going to save you time and money by giving you the ultimate AWS certification roadmap. I'm Suleiman. I've worked in tech for over a decade. I run my own AI cloud security consultancy, and through my academy, I've helped more than 600 students learn cloud and AI. And here is what nobody tells you. The cloud landscape has completely changed. And this means to stay ahead of the competition, you need the advice that's most up to date. Not only will I give you the ultimate certification roadmap, but at the end, I'll reveal how you can pass AWS certifications 10 times faster than anyone else, something that I've never shared publicly before. So, AWS has 4 tiers of certifications: foundational, associate, professional, and specialty. The problem is that most people start in professional or the specialty without building the proper foundation first. Instead, you're going to start in phase 1 and get the foundational certification, starting with the AWS Cloud Practitioner. This is your entry point. Core services, how billing works, basic security concepts. It's about understanding the AWS ecosystem and how businesses actually use cloud services. When you're studying for this, focus on understanding why companies choose cloud over on-prem. What are the actual cost benefits? What does scalability mean in practice? How does a shared responsibility model work? The exam is $100, it takes 90 minutes, and you can pass it in just 7 days if you focus, just like I did. Don't overthink this one, it's just about understanding the landscape. Then you want to move on to the AI Cloud Practitioner certification. Now, most people skip this part completely, but today and beyond, this is a big mistake because cloud and AI are inseparable now. Without cloud, every major AI breakthrough that we hear about wouldn't be possible. Companies are using AI for everything. Customer service chatbots, data analysis, image recognition, fraud detection. And as a cloud engineer, you need to understand how these AI services integrate with traditional cloud infrastructure. The certification covers basic AI and ML services on AWS, things like Amazon SageMaker, Comprehend, Recognition, and Bedrock. But more importantly, it teaches you how to think about use cases. When would you use machine learning for predictive analytics versus simple business intelligence? How do you design data pipelines that feed AI models? What are the security and compliance considerations when dealing with AI? This exam costs $100, but because you passed your first exam, you get a 50% discount code, which can be redeemed for your next certification exam. So it will only cost you $50, and you can also pass it within 7 to 14 days. At this point, you understand both cloud basics and AI basics. Both exams are multiple choice, and it's pretty straightforward. So give yourself 2 to 4 weeks total, and you have both these certifications. Now, these foundational concepts are great building blocks to get you ready for phase number 2. And this is where things get a little bit more difficult. You want to start with the AWS Solutions Architect Associate. Instead of just learning and memorizing services, you're beginning to understand how to design complete systems. How do you build something that handles 100,000 users? How do you make it secure? How do you keep costs reasonable? You start to build that architectural thinking and understanding how to make trade-offs, and this will be crucial for your next certification. And we'll get to that in a moment. For your Solutions Architect Associate, you'll be asked questions that are more scenario-based. For example, should you use a managed database like RDS or run your own database on EC2? And the answer is, well, depends. RDS is easier to manage and automatically handles backups, patches, and scaling, but it's more expensive and gives you less control. Running your own database gives you complete control and can be cheaper at scale, but now you're responsible for maintenance, security, patches, and disaster recovery. The exam will present scenarios like this throughout, so it's about understanding the options and making informed decisions based on requirements and constraints. And this exam costs around $150. It takes 130 minutes with 65 questions. Give yourself at least 2 to 3 weeks for this one, but don't rush it. And don't forget, your 50% discount will also carry over, so it's only $75 for this one. And this is where things get serious. This is where most people actually stop. In fact, it's estimated of the 1.4 million people who currently hold an AWS certification, only 1 to 5% have this next one. The AWS Solutions Architect Professional Certification. The professional exam shows you how to handle real enterprise complexity, hybrid architectures, migration strategies, advanced networking. What's really being tested in this exam is your ability to solve complex business problems with technical solutions. You'll get scenarios like a large financial service company wants to migrate their on-premise data center to AWS. They have compliance requirements, legacy applications that can't be easily modified, and they need to maintain 99.99% uptime during the migration. Design the migration strategy strategy? And the answers are all very similar as well. But here you stop thinking about AWS services in isolation and you start connecting cloud technology to business requirements. The exam costs $300, it takes 3 hours and requires more of a deeper understanding. This is one of the toughest ones so far, so plan at least 12 weeks of study. And passing it will give you more credibility when you're applying for roles. Which brings me to a crossroads. So far, you've followed the exact roadmap as I've laid out. But now you have a choice to make. For phase 3, you're going to pick a specialty. Either you become a security person or an AI person. Both paths are incredible. Both are in massive demand, but they lead to different types of roles, and frankly, it's about your interest. Option number 1 is the AWS security specialty. 61% of companies had a cloud security incident last year, up from 24% the year before. The average cost of a data breach in 2025 is around $10 million. Every company desperately needs people who could understand cloud security. This certification covers implementing security controls, managing security operations, and ensuring compliance. And the demand is absolutely insane. Companies are paying over $150K a year for engineers who really understand cloud security. But to be clear, I'm obviously not suggesting that getting this certification will get you a 6-figure job. Or you can go with option number 2, the AWS machine learning specialty. AI is exploding across every industry right now. Companies understand the potential, but they don't know how to actually implement AI. This certification covers data engineering for machine learning, model building, deployment, and operations. Machine learning engineers are routinely making over $200K a year at major tech companies. Again, the same principle applies as earlier. I am not suggesting that by passing this certification, you will be able to earn $200K a year. That said, both cost $300 and take 6 to 8 weeks to prepare, so you can't go wrong either way, but you just have to make a choice. Now that you have the ultimate AWS certification roadmap, there's only one thing left. How do you pass your AWS certifications 10 times faster? You see, if we combine all of the exam preparation time for each certification, you're looking at least 4 to 6 months of focused studying. And that's provided that you pass each exam first time, because if you don't, you'll have to pay another $100 to $300 again. We're also assuming that you don't waste months bouncing between Udemy, YouTube videos, taking notes on different platforms, creating flashcards, practicing exams. It's a lot of subscriptions and software that you have to pay for. Wouldn't you agree? And even then, it's not just the 4 different tools that you need to use to prep and actually pass. What's actually frustrating, because I've experienced this myself, you end up wasting so much time having to go through things that you already know. Let me explain. If you're experienced or you already know certain topics, you still have to spend time going through them again instead of only focusing on the areas that you don't know. For any AWS or IT certification that you study for, you are stuck with this non-personalized prep approach, starting from zero every single time. But what if I told you there was a better way? A way where you wouldn't have to waste months of preparing and hoping that you pass the exam? What if there was a way to pass your AWS certification 10 times faster? You see, I know the stress and effort that it takes to pass your certification exams. I did them myself, and in fact, I was actually able to do them in 7 days. And over the last 2 years, quietly in the background, me and my team of engineers have been building a brand new platform just for you. A platform where you would combine the ability to take all of your exam notes just like you do in Notion, and you get to make flashcards and memorize topics just like you do on Quizlet, and you get the benefit of unlimited practice mock exams, unlike Tutorials Dojo, where you have to pay for each individual exam separately, and in fact, any platform. And if that wasn't enough, you also get AI personalized learning. So you don't have to waste time learning things that you already know, and you focus on learning what you don't know. I mean, just look at how many of my students are passing their AWS certification exams, which is why I want to introduce to you right now my brand new software, StudyTech AI. Pass your AWS certifications 10 times faster. StudyTech AI combines note-taking, flashcards, personalized AI learning, and unlimited mock exams to help you pass your AWS certifications 10 times faster. No more running around trying to navigate multiple tools and paying for separate subscriptions. With StudyTech AI, all you have to do is show up, practice, and learn, saving you time and getting you certified 10 times faster. The AI recommendation engine guides you to focus on exactly what you need to study, exactly when you need to study it. And right now, I'm running a special launch promotion for anyone who signs up. So if you're interested, just click the link in the description right now and go check it out. So the bottom line is the AWS certifications can absolutely help jumpstart your career. The opportunities in cloud are absolutely real. The market is exploding from $900 billion to over $5 trillion. And to take advantage of this, you have to position yourself accordingly. So let's lock in and make time to finally break into the cloud. And if you want to check out StudyTech AI and pass your AWS certifications faster, check out the links in the description for a launch discount. As always, I'm rooting for you. Good luck.